Well, as summer gets underway, many people may be looking to get out and enjoy the outdoors.
State parks are a popular way to do just that. However, after Hurricane Helene, many state parks are still working to fully recover. Back in October, Roan Mountain State Park leaders said Helene caused Doe River to flood, which led to downed trees, power outages, and piling debris. News Channel 11's Maddie Cottaspati met with park leaders to learn where recovery stands as summer gets underway.
Many state parks are beginning to open for the season, welcoming people back onto their trails. But for Roan Mountain State Park, this season comes with a new set of challenges.
We're definitely seeing an impact revenue-wise.
In September, Roan Mountain State Park was hit by Hurricane Helene. The devastation led to closures throughout the park.
One of our biggest things is the bridge here in the campground, going up to our upper areas. It's pretty much washed completely out. At least half of the bridge is completely destroyed.
Park manager Monica Johnson says the park began canceling summer reservations in March, including those for Memorial Day.
It's one of our busiest weekends of the year and kicks off our season. So we've definitely felt the impact from having to do that and the disappointment that we've received from our visitors.
But despite the disappointment, Johnson says the community has continued to show up in different ways.
Still have the support of people coming to the campground and camping in the lower area, staying in the cabins, going to the gift shops and, purchasing souvenir items, just coming out and hiking, day-use visitors.
The park will still host a series of Memorial Day events throughout the weekend. That information can be found on our website, wjhl.com. In Roan Mountain, Maddie Cottaspati, News Channel 11.
Immediately after Helene, 4 state parks in our region were closed due to damage. They were Sycamore Shoals, Roan Mountain, Rocky Fork, and David Crockett Birthplace. Now, David Crockett Birthplace is still partly closed. Roan Mountain still has some closed areas. The Tennessee State Parks website does not have any warnings listed for Sycamore Shoals or Rocky Fork State Parks.